good day everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Before anything else, I want to greet everyone a happy new year. Okay, so I hope you like my first two videos about my favorite mecha robot, giant robot Voltes 5. And actually that one is a great build of mine last year. And now, because I really love this Japanese robot, I always wanted to have the leader of the Voltes 5 team, which is Steve Armstrong, and his ship, which is called the Volt Crewzer. And now I just want to share with you this Volt Crewzer of mine that I built, and I hope you like it. Okay, so now let's take a closer look of this Lego mock Bolt Cruiser. Okay, so you can see there the minifig and got ladder there, and you can see the cockpit. Take a closer look at the cockpit, so you can open it. You can see the control panel there. Okay, and wings and everything. So I hope I give justice to the Volt Cruiser of Voltes 5. Okay, so now for some features of this ship, the Volt Cruiser. Wait a minute, let's adjust the camera. Okay, so this is the minifig. So actually is a, I put a sticker there for the V shape. Okay, let's put that aside first, and let's take a closer look at the cruiser. So here it is, the cruiser. In the wings, you got the two rocket boosters, jet boosters. Okay, so we have the cockpit here. Actually we can put Steve there. Oops, sorry. So you can put Steve on the cockpit. There we go. Sit. Okay, then you can close it down. Let's take out this. So here we go. There we go. This is in the side view, and his back. See there? There's another right side of him, and another frontal view. Okay, there he is, very happy. So for some features, actually I build I cannot build all. I just put the special feature there for some special weapon, which is the cruiser missile that is coming from its back. Actually, if you look closer here, okay, you just lift the thing, you just open this. Oops, pops up again. This is the problem with Lego. Okay, sorry, oops. Okay, we revealed we've revealed the cruiser missile. So what you do is you put this back, okay, and then you hold here and you reveal the missile there. See that? Cruiser missile. Okay, let's just close the cruiser missile. I think this is the only weapon we have. And now for the final articulation is, of course, reveal the head. So actually I don't have all the parts, so I don't know if I justify the face of Voltes 5, but here goes. So first things first, to lift this and to reveal the face, have to take out this portion here like that, and there we go. Here it is. Lotus 5. Okay, we adjust the camera a bit here. There, you can see him now. Now I just take out the headpiece here and reveal his face. So there is the face of Voltes 5. Of course I cannot build all the Voltes team, the Bolt Bomber, the Bolt Panzer, the Bolt Frigate, and the Volt Lander. If I build that, maybe I will have a 5-foot tall Voltes 5 now. And I don't have all the parts, so for the meantime I'll be satisfied with this build. Okay, so I hope you like this build. Okay, take out. Okay, let's put it back into a cruiser mode like so, and oopsie, there goes the missile again. I think I need to fix this one. Okay, but it will do now. I hope you like this video and this review. If you like it, I can hit that like button or you can subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'm going to have a lot of build this year. Of course, all my favorite robots, maybe Mazinger Z come up, Daimos, who else? For the Transformer, we have Optimus Prime, Bumblebee. Yeah, I forgot about UFO Grandizer. Maybe I'll have one of that. And thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video coming up really soon. And let's take a second look again, or last look, for this Steve Armstrong and his Volt Cruiser. I hope everyone likes this video, and hope to see you soon. Okay, bye.